girlfriend, and Huey, who's going to come soon with a trowel in his hands. Today we're going to pull weeds and we're going to plant flowers. Because we know a weed is a plant that's out of place. Pick the weeds, put them in some type of bucket, and dump them in the woods. Also, be careful when you pick weeds because there are ant piles that's under them. Yes, so you want to be careful of ant piles under the weeds. So please be careful. And I want you guys to tell me what's the weed. Is this a weed? Nope, that's not a weed. It's a cauliflower. Is this a weed? Yes, this is a weed because this does not belong here. So we got to pull it up. So you just saw us pull some weeds. Now we're going to plant some flowers. We're going to plant some pink tulips. And before you start planting flowers, you want to make sure you have a bucket, a trowel, some gloves, and of course your plant and maybe a lawnmower that lets out bubbles. Okay, so make sure you gotta dig a hole about twice the size of this pot. If you have mulch, move the mulch to the side. Move, mulch, move. All right, get your pot. Time to dig a hole. Yep, it's time to dig a hole. You can put the hole. You can put the dirt to the side, or you can put the dirt in a pot. I like to put it in the pot because I like to keep my mulch looking good. Is that right? That's right. So, dig. Do you want to have a turn? Yeah, your turn. In the orange pot. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Your turn. Good go. In the pot. Good job. Dig a hole. In the pots. Good job. Now we're gonna take the flour out of the pot. And I love to say, squeeze the roadies. Here, squeeze the roadies. Come on, squeeze the roadies. You want to release the release. All right, now put the plant in the hole. In the hole. In the hole. Come on, down here in the hole. Good job. Right, good job. Now we have a new home. And you want to use the same dirt that you digged up, and you're going to spread it around town. All right. And then you're going to cover up with mulch. And don't forget to water it, because that is very important. All right, my seasons, y'all have a great rest of your day.